Hi, in this video, we're going to go over the two ways that you can install a WordPress plugin onto your website. So the first way you can install a plugin is if you go to the sidebar here and we go to plugins and then add new, you will see that you can now search for plugins as well as browse for plugins with the featured, popular, recommended, and favorites tab. Now for this tutorial, we're going to install Imagify. So all we have to do is type in Imagify in the search plugins bar. Now, once we do that, you will see that Imagify loaded right here. All we have to do is click install now. Now, there's still one more step, but I also want to show you here that you can see the ratings of plugins. You can see how long ago they were updated, as well as if they are compatible with your version of WordPress. And if you click on the more details section here, it will take you to the page where you can learn all about the plugin. You can see the installation, FAQ, changelog, screenshots, and reviews, as well as a whole bunch of more information about the plugins. But lastly, what we have to do is after clicking install now, we have to activate the plugin by clicking on activate right here. Now, after we clicked on activate, Imagify actually gave us a notification to now begin the onboarding process for creating an account, entering our API key, and configuring this to get this all set up. So now if you want to access plugins, you can see that Imagify is on the top toolbar here, as well as it might be on the side here. For Imagify, you don't see it right away, but it's actually in the settings and then Imagify. Now for the second way to install a WordPress plugin, you may have a zip file that you need to upload. So with our plugin, WP Rocket, once you're logged into your account, you can click on download WP Rocket and it will download the zip file for you to install. So if we hop back to our WordPress dashboard here, we go to plugins on the left-hand tab and then click on add new. You can see there's a button to upload a plugin in the top left-hand corner. We're going to click on that. And then all we have to do is we can drag our plugin right into there and then we'll click on install now. So now once it successfully installs, all we do is click on the blue button that says activate plugin. And then we can see that WP Rocket actually gives us a notification to go into our settings. It also appears on the top toolbar here, as well as it's on the side here if we go into settings and then WP Rocket. So if this video has helped you install a WordPress plugin, please make sure to like, comment, and also subscribe for future web performance videos. Goodbye and have a good day.